Hey kids, Chad, Honest Peyton's Beach Shop. Yeah, we're back at it. And today, we're gonna test out something pretty cool. AutoOne sent us a jump starter and air compressor. We're gonna check them out on a couple things right here in the shop. Stick around. That's right, AutoOne. This thing weighs a bunch. It has a capacity of 59.2 watts. It has charging input is 5 volts, 3 amps, start voltage 12 volts. Has a USB output of 5 volts, 2.4 amps. Inflation pressure range is up to 150 psi, and charging time is about 4 to 6 hours. So that's pretty darn cool. Now, what are we gonna do? Got the turd. We're gonna try something different. I think I got a dead battery. We're gonna check it out. Look at that case, man. I'll tell you what. Can't beat that with a stick. It's a nice day. It's like 61 out there. Oh, all the goodies. And look at that thing. Now, we just got to find the instructions and let's check it out. All right, got the book. I'm gonna set that stuff down so we can look at this for you. It's good for car tires, engine start, power bank. It's got an LED light, motorcycle tires, bicycle tires, sports stuff, and air inflation. It's pretty cool. It gives all the stuff. We'll go through all that. And basic parameters, we already talked about that stuff, didn't we? Yes, we did. It says it's accurate within plus or minus 1 psi. 1. That's pretty darn fantastic. You betcha. Jump starter with air compressor is what it's called. Gives you all the layout of it. Tells you how to do a jump start. Tells you how to charge digital products, which like your phone, you know, if you have a phone. You have a phone? I have a phone. It's not right here. And then it tells you how to charge it, how to connect the inflation tube. It gives you everything, and the air pressure. How to adjust presets. I mean, let's face it, it's all right here in the book. Now what we're gonna do. Now, our good buddy Clyde, he's got a flat tire. You know how I know? Because I can see it. I don't even need to look. No. I need to look because I saw it. I don't need to even look at the pressure. Because it's squatted. And I know it's not supposed to be like that. So, we're gonna get the air compressor part, and we are gonna pump this guy up right now, right here. Hey, Chad, press the power button. Look what happens. Boom, it's got power. I don't know, it's pretty slick to me. Yep. Twist it in right here. Right there. Okay. Make sure it's good and snug, and it is snug. £36. Car. First day of my new lips. Oh, welcome to the floor. Oh, why? Yeah, I love doing that. All right, get flashlight on. Boom, 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 boom. That's the SOS flash. That's that button right there. This one, 35, 45, 8, 36. I roll 35 pounds in my tires here, but that's okay. Oh yeah, I'd say we got a low tire, 8.5. Okay, 8.5. And then, there we go. Do the thing. Now this is not meant to air it all the way up. This is, you know, top it off, right? So we have our tire is a 275/50/15. Yep, 275, 60, sorry, 275/60/15. All right, timer's on. I pulled it out of the box and plugged it in to the car. I didn't charge anything. So this is like what you would do if you were a regular dude Got a flat tire. You're gonna be like, uh-oh, flat tire. There we go. Stick around. All right, you saw. Now that was at 11 pounds, up to 35 pounds was just over 9.5 minutes. It was like 9 minutes and 42 seconds. That's pretty good. That's a big, big tire. I mean, it's big. This is what any regular person might do if there's low. And see, it shuts itself right off. So now, should we try to boost something? I think so. Let's try that. Now you might wonder if it gets hot. Oh, hey, watch it. Almost dropped it. This did not get hot. The only thing that's warm is the hose, and it's warm. I mean, and in the end, not that bad. Actually, I mean, you touch it without a problem. So now the only thing is we have a safety switch on here, and I don't have anything that's dead currently. So we're gonna try that. And if it doesn't work, or if I can't get it to do anything, we'll put it on Clyde and I'll just show you how it operates, okay? Now you might say, Chad, aren't you worried about this? And I'm like, well, no, I'm not. You know why? Because 12 volt, 12 volt, okay? Now, we're gonna take this off and we're gonna hook these guys up real quick. I got the seat down. Now, we should be able to try this. We're gonna get you over here. Now, we might have a battery that went bad. This is a few years old, so we're gonna try it right now. That charged for 3 days. So, try the jump starter right now. All right, I read through the instructions. Tells you what to do. First, you're gonna throw things on the floor because why not, right? Put that over there. Now, right there, start. And you just, it only will go in one way, boop, just like that. Boop, just like that, okay? One's square, one's round, just like that. We got a green light. We must be good to go. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. It worked. There's no gas in here, I don't think. She's gonna work, I'll tell you what. You saw it. Looked like a champ. That was so user-friendly, I'll tell you what. Now, the battery is bad. I know it's bad. Didn't charge for 3 days. I put that on there, fired up. You saw it. This hasn't run since last October. This did a great job. Can you believe that? Huh? Man, that was slick. From AutoOne, their air compressor and jump starter combination. I'm telling you what, you better go get yourself one right after this video. That link is gonna be right down there. AutoOne. These guys asked me if I wanted to try this out, and I thought, yeah, why wouldn't I? You know, you guys all have, well, maybe you don't have as much junk as that, but still. You saw it. I hadn't taken it out of the package until this. We aired up the tire from 8.5 pounds. So at 8.5 pounds up to 35 would have been about 11 minutes. So, I mean, that's 11 minutes. And then I didn't charge this. It was down to 1. You saw it. It was 1. I hooked up there, boosted it. What do you want? I don't think you can find a better deal on it, honestly, right here. I'm gonna put this right in the shop truck, our shop truck slowpoke. This is gonna go right in the grab and go kit. Because I have a jump starter in there and I have an air pump in there. Why have two? Exactly. So, AutoOne. I want to honestly tell you that I am super excited about this product. It's going to go right in the shop truck. It's going to get used whenever we have junk, which is all the time. And this is definitely Honest Peyton Speech Up approved. Boom, boom. It's going to go right here. All right, video's all done. Check that link out. Get yourself one, get yourself 7. Put them in your cars. A little peace of mind, especially if you got a youngster driving or even you driving. I'm just gonna ramble now. Okay, seriously. Get one. Keep on running, kids.